Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and choosing the right adapter. If your iPhone lacks a headphone jack, use a certified Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. This handles audio and often mic signals. Once done, plug the adapter into the iPhone firmly and then insert the earphones. Make sure controls sit correctly. Some inline mics require TRRS wiring. If audio is silent, toggle volume and check that the adapter is fully seated. Partial connections cause channel loss or no mic function. Once connected, confirm the iPhone recognizes the headphones. Open settings and play audio and music or a podcast to verify left/right channels and volume. Record a short voice memos clip to test the inline microphone and controls. This shows whether the TRRS mic works. If you hear distortion or only one side, make sure the jack and plug are clean and free of debris, then reinsert. Try a different app and inspect the adapter for damage before deeper troubleshooting. To finish, restart your iPhone and reconnect the adapter. This clears temporary software conflicts. If controls or the mic still fail, swap to another Lightning adapter or use a small TRRS to TRS adapter with a proper wiring standard. Some earphones need CTIA versus AMP matching. Update iOS to rule out firmware bugs, and test the earphones on another device to isolate whether the earphones, adapter, or iPhone is at fault. Troubleshooting tip: if audio is muffled, gently clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a toothpick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.